A journey inward. The magic of magic mushrooms. Magic mushrooms have fascinated people for centuries. These unassuming fungi possess a powerful secret psilocybin. Psilocybin is a special ingredient that can alter the way we experience the world. It can cause hallucinations, making us see and feel things differently. Some describe these experiences as trippy, but beyond the strange and sometimes intense effects, scientists are discovering that psilocybin has a profound impact on the human brain. Imagine a substance that can shake up your brain's normal patterns. Imagine it rewiring the very circuits that shape your thoughts and feelings. Psilocybin seems to do just that. It offers a glimpse into the incredible flexibility of the human mind. Researchers are excited about its potential to treat various mental health conditions. This essay explores the fascinating world of psilocybin. We'll delve into how it affects the brain, its potential benefits, and the groundbreaking research surrounding it. Join us as we journey into the science behind these magic mushrooms. Rewiring the mind. Psilocybin's impact in a nutshell. Psilocybin is like a reboot for the brain. It temporarily changes how different parts of the brain communicate with each other. This rewiring can have significant effects on our thoughts, emotions, and sense of self. Studies show that psilocybin can help people feel less anxious and depressed. It may even lead to lasting positive changes in behavior and outlook on life. Scientists believe that psilocybin's ability to disrupt negative thought patterns and promote new connections in the brain is key to its therapeutic potential. This discovery has opened up exciting new avenues for treating mental health conditions. Imagine a future where psilocybin, used responsibly and under proper guidance, could help people break free from the grip of depression, addiction, and other mental health challenges. Unmasking psilocybin. A primer. Psilocybin is a naturally occurring compound found in certain types of mushrooms. These magic mushrooms have been used for centuries in spiritual and ceremonial practices. When ingested, psilocybin is converted into psilocin, which is the substance that directly affects the brain. Psilocin works by interacting with serotonin receptors in the brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in regulating mood, perception, and consciousness. By binding to these receptors, psilocin alters the normal flow of information in the brain. This disruption of usual brain activity leads to the unique effects of psilocybin, including altered sensory perception, hallucinations, and changes in mood and thinking patterns. While these effects are temporary, they offer a window into the incredible plasticity of the human brain. Section 4. The Self on Pause. Psilocybin and the Default Mode Network. One of the most fascinating aspects of psilocybin's effects on the brain is its impact on the default mode network, or DMN. The DMN is a network of brain regions that is active when we are not focused on any particular task. It's associated with self-reflection, rumination, and mind-wandering. Psilocybin has been shown to decrease activity in the DMN. This quieting of the DMN is thought to be responsible for the sense of ego dissolution or loss of self that many people experience during a psilocybin trip. Imagine your sense of self temporarily fading away, allowing you to experience the world with a fresh perspective, free from the usual filters of your ego. This temporary disruption of the DMN may be key to psilocybin's ability to promote lasting changes in thought patterns and behavior. Section 5. Echoes of Experience. Psilocybin's lasting mark. The effects of psilocybin are not limited to the duration of the trip. Studies have shown that some of the changes in brain activity and connectivity induced by psilocybin can persist for weeks or even months after a single dose. This suggests that psilocybin may have long-lasting effects on brain function. One study found that people who had a single high dose of psilocybin showed increased brain connectivity in areas associated with emotional processing and self-awareness weeks later. These changes in brain connectivity were correlated with reports of increased well-being and openness to experience. This ability to create lasting changes in brain activity is what makes psilocybin so intriguing as a potential therapeutic tool. It suggests that psilocybin could help reset the brain in a way that promotes positive and enduring changes in mental health. Section 6. Mapping the Mind. Dr. Siegel's groundbreaking research. Dr. Joshua Siegel, a neuroscientist at the University of California, San Francisco, is at the forefront of psilocybin research. His team uses advanced brain imaging techniques, such as functional magnetic resonance imaging, or fMRI, to study the effects of psilocybin on the brain in unprecedented detail. Dr. Siegel's research has revealed that psilocybin creates a state of increased global connectivity in the brain. This means that different brain regions that typically operate independently become more interconnected and communicate with each other in new ways. This increased connectivity is thought to be responsible for the profound changes in consciousness and perception that people experience during a psilocybin trip. It also provides insights into how psilocybin might help to rewire the brain to break free from negative thought patterns. Section 7. A New Hope for Mental Health. Psilocybin's Potential. The unique way psilocybin affects the brain has sparked immense interest in its potential to treat a wide range of mental health conditions. Clinical trials are currently underway to investigate the effectiveness of psilocybin in treating conditions such as depression. Psilocybin has shown promise in treating treatment-resistant depression, offering hope to those who haven't found relief with traditional antidepressants. Addiction. Studies suggest that psilocybin could help people overcome addiction to substances like alcohol and nicotine by reducing cravings and promoting behavioral change. Anxiety. Psilocybin may help to alleviate anxiety and fear in individuals facing life-threatening illnesses or those struggling with conditions like obsessive-compulsive disorder or OCD. While more research is needed, the initial findings are incredibly encouraging. Psilocybin's ability to disrupt negative thought patterns, promote emotional well-being, and foster a sense of connectedness makes it a compelling candidate for future mental health treatments.